I am Dr. A. Karthikeyan, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. In this presentation, first let me give brief description about the experimental facility available in our Engine Research Center, which will be followed by step-by-step operating procedures to be followed for conduction of experiments. This experimental facility consists of a single cylinder, 4-stroke, variable compression ratio engine coupled to eddy current dynamometer. The setup has provisions for measuring the fuel flow, air flow, load, temperature, crank angle and combustion pressure. The setup is provided with air tank with orifice for measuring the fuel flow, manometer, fuel measuring unit, and 2 rotometers are provided for measuring the engine cooling water flow rate and calorimeter water flow rate. The engine has a special arrangement of tilting cylinder block. Using this arrangement, we can alter the compression ratio of the engine without changing the combustion geometry or without even stopping the engine. Using this experimental setup, we can conduct performance, combustion and emission test of the engine. And performance parameters include brake power, indicator power, friction power, mechanical efficiency, indicator thermal efficiency, brake thermal efficiency, volumetric efficiency, specific fuel consumption and heat balance. Combustion parameters include variation of cylinder pressure with respect to crank angle, rate of heat release rate. This setup is provided with a 5-gas analyzer for analyzing the exhaust gas. Exhaust gas emissions include nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxygen and hydrocarbons. Now let me explain the step-by-step operating procedure of this engine setup. The first step, you have to switch on the electric supply and ensure that voltmeter, load indicator and piezo powering unit are showing display. Next, change the fuel cock position from measuring to tank. Keep the load knob of the dynamometer loading unit at minimum position. Next, start the cooling water pump and set the engine cooling water flow rate at 200 liters per hour and the calorimeter water flow rate at 75 liters per hour. You have to start the engine by hand cranking and allow the engine to run for 5 minutes in idling condition till steady state condition is achieved. The exhaust of the engine is connected to AVL 5-gas analyzer. Using this 5-gas analyzer, you can measure carbon dioxide, hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, oxygen and nitrogen oxides. With this, I conclude my presentation. I hope you might have understand the basic working of variable compression ratio engine and step-by-step operating procedure to be followed to conduct the experiment. Thank you.